Hello and welcome back to my channel Chandrani Das Art, and I'm Chandrani. In this tutorial we will learn a canvas painting with acrylic color. I will discuss all about the materials in first class. From the second part we will learn how to paint Radha Krishna that I am painting right now. You can see that. So it's in progress. So I will show you step by step like how to draw the skin, how to draw the gold parts like ornaments and jewelries, all kind of stuff like that. So stay tuned for that. But in this tutorial we will learn what kind of materials should we use for canvas painting. Okay, let's get started. First of all, what is canvas and how does it look like, or how does it feel when you touch it? Okay, so this one I am using this kind of canvas board, which is approx you can say 250 to 300. It cost. It's a kind of board. You can hear that. So the second number is what kind of brushes I am using. So here are my brushes. You can see all kind of brushes over here. One thing I have to mention here, whenever we have to color on canvas through acrylic painting or any kind of painting, any kind of color medium, on that case we have to rub enough on the surface of the canvas so that the color will absorb enough, otherwise it will look like incomplete. In this part I have colored it just once, so you can see the difference, and here this part I have coated more than 2 to 3 times. You can see the difference here, right? We need to apply the coat 2 to 3 times so that our color will apply perfectly on canvas. The second number is what kind of brushes I am using. So here are my brushes. You can see all kind of brushes over here. These are the longer brushes. You can see it's usually longer. You can see the brush, you see. Okay, yeah, and you can see the bristle over here. Yeah, okay, so you can see the bristle. These are hard, so much hard, and I'm not saying that these are the extreme level expensive brushes. These are okay brushes, I guess, and these are okay for rubbing the surface of canvas by painting with color. This brush I didn't use this till now, and I am showing you after using the brushes how does it look like. You can see these two brushes. Okay, these brushes I am using for this painting. The big brush for using the major parts, and for tiny little spaces I am using the little one. So these are not for finishing touches. These are just for painting the base coat, I can say you. But for the finishing touches you need some brushes like this kind of thin brushes. I have plenty of brushes like this. These are not the ultimate thing. You can choose your own, but I am sharing here what I am using for this painting. Okay, the all kind of brushes that I am using right now for this painting. I will definitely keep you an update if I change my brush or add anything else, any kind of other brushes for this. Now let's jump into the next point, which is color. So I am using this color. It's Camel Artist color. So it's okay color, and it's good quality for beginner like us. It's excellent color. I have also these three colors. This one is black, this one is yellow ochre, and this one is white. I have bought this because these colors that we have to use mostly on our paintings, any kind of paintings actually. So I have bought this, and don't mind this acrylic painting, you know, it's a kind of texture which easily dried out. So for to prevent that, I don't know how it will work. So just to prevent that, so I did some jugaad. Okay, so this what I have broken, and this is the jugaad thing. Okay, so I have no guarantee for this. I will definitely give you an update if I can still use this, and if it's still alive. Okay, these are the all colors that I am using for this painting right now. The next point is how to color or how to apply color on canvas. So when we are working on canvas, we have to color it thoroughly, and of course we have to apply our color 2 to 3 times each area. Like we have to coat the areas 2 to 3 times so that our canvas will absorb enough color so that the texture of the canvas will hide by our color. Okay, so this is not watercolor, this is acrylic color, so we need to apply a little much of water whenever it needed, like to apply the base coat, or maybe if you feel that your painting is much thicker than you need, then you may apply a little bit of water, just few drops, maybe 1 to 2 or 3 drops. That will be enough. Do not apply water more than that. Okay, remember this is acrylic, not watercolor. Okay, so I will share with you each and every steps how to apply and how to draw each and every steps of my Radha Krishna painting. Stay tuned for that. This was all for today, guys. I hope you have learned, and if you want to paint with me too, then please gather all the equipments or all the materials that you may need for the canvas. From the next class, I will divide my videos. It's like how to draw the skin first, then how to draw the jewelries, then how to draw a flute, how to draw the hands, each and every steps. Okay, if you are new and want to know about art, digitally and hand drawing, both kind of arts, then you can subscribe my channel. Let me know in the comment section below what kind of, after Radha Krishna painting, what kind of painting do you want to see on this channel. I will see you on my next video. Till then, bye and happy painting.